Hi, today I will show you how to prepare interactive worksheets using WIZER Me. This is what a worksheet could look like. You start with a song, something to write, question, some open questions, videos, hotspots on pictures, Paul, John, etc. All sorts of activities, fill in the gap. Fill in the gap activities, you can see it got crossed out. Love me do. How many members are there? And sort according to nouns, the sorting activity. Eat, a bed, drink, a head, a dog. So you have a sorting activity. So how do we create those beautiful worksheets using WIZER Me? So the first thing we do, we log in. It's very, very important that you state that you're a teacher when you sign in. Do not sign in as a student with your Gmail. The first thing you do is you sign up with your Gmail as a teacher. So what you do is you go to create worksheet. After you've signed up, you select your design, let's say this one or this one, and you start with your title. So let's say your title is New Verbs. Then you add a task. You add whatever you wish, fill in the gap, or maybe you just want to add a text and write something, like an introduction. Hello, students. Today we will learn about new verbs. Note that you can also record your instructions. You click on the voice and you start recording. Hello, my name is Healy and this is our lesson about verbs. I hope you enjoy it. Stop and upload. That's it, then it's there. So you can add different kinds of activities and just play around with this. For example, if you want to add multiple choice, you just add your question here, add question for a student. Okay, and then you can add 4 different answers. Run, bake, climb, and that's it. You can also show in columns or in a row. I like the column, and then you want to choose the correct answer. Run, this is the correct answer, and then done. And it's done. Then you have this question in your worksheet. Another thing that you can do is add blanks. That's basically a fill in the gap activity. You want to write your text in advance and paste it. And so we want to paste a text here, for example, this one. And now we want to use blanket. So for example, you can give here the instructions. Please fill in the correct verb. And then we want to check use text word bank, and then we use blanket. For example, today we will talk and blanket. That will be inside the fill in the gap activity, inside the word bank. And then gets up, blanket. Gets dressed, blanket. Eats, and then he rides his bicycle. And then we click done, and this is what it looks like. And we have all sorts of activities here. Matching is nice. For example, Draw a line between the word and between the words that go together. For example, climb a mountain. Enter. We get another one. Ride a bike. Talk on the phone. Okay, and then done. And this is what it looks like. In order to see what the worksheet looks like, you want to go to, you want to save first. First we need to put the subject and the grade level. Save. After it saves, you want to go to review and see what it looks like. Hello students, today we'll read about verbs. We will learn about verbs. We can listen to the message. Then we go next to I like to 34 kilometers every week. Please fill in the correct verb. Today we will talk about school. Daniel gets up in the morning, gets dressed and eats breakfast. He then rides his bicycle to school. Here, draw a line between the word that goes together. Climb a mountain, ride a bike, talk on the phone. In order to send this to students, go to here, share with teachers, copy link, and you have this link to copy. As you can see, it works if I just paste it in the address bar. And this is what it looks like. This is how you share it with teachers, but if you want to share it with students, you go to Assign to Learners, link, create assignment, make my worksheet public, create assignment. Then you want to click here. This is the link. Copy. And this is what it looks like when students go in. They have this link to use. And the first thing they do is they sign up. Of course, they can just use whatever they want. For example, they can just put Danny and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number, and then sign in as a student. You need a last name as well, and then sign in as a student. Six digits here. Then you confirm your password, 6 digits, and then sign in as a student. They can really put whatever they wish here, so that's super easy for them. And this is their worksheet. It's ready for them to work. So eventually, after our students answered, you want to go to answers. And here you can see the results and how your students did. For example, we have Danny Dan. And we know when they did it. We know how long it took them to do it. And the score, 4.4 out of 5. And we can see mistakes and answers. And that is the main thing about it. We can also download the report. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you next time.